Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators. Today I'm going to show you a simple Renko Chart strategy for the trader. During the past 2 days, I was able to generate an impressive profit of more than $18,000 by implementing a simple, effective trading strategy. This strategy is easy to wrap and can be learned quickly, even by those who are new to trading. If you are interested in taking your trading skill to the next level, then make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video. What are Renko Charts? The Renko Charts are the type of chart used to track the asset price movement. Unlike traditional charts, Renko Charts are not based on time, but instead they use price action to form bricks and represent price movement. The bricks are formed by plotting a fixed price range or a box size on the chart. Renko Charts are helpful for your trader as they remove the noise by price fluctuation and allow them to focus on the overall trend of the asset. It can help traders to identify significant support and resistance level, trend lines, and other chart patterns. So why use Renko Chart? As I mentioned earlier, Renko Chart filter out noise that is often present in traditional chart. Renko Chart makes it easy to identify trend and asset price movement. Renko Chart makes it easy to identify support and resistance level, and Renko Chart are particularly useful in technical analysis. As you can see here, this is a symbol of the blank Renko Chart. They give you only two colors. The green color go up, red color going down, and it's very easy for you to look at the chart because the move of the price action. And you know that trading is very dangerous if you don't know the technical analysis and you don't know what is the right chart to use. That's why 90% of the day traders, they are failure. So that's why at Stock Navigator, our course is designed to provide you with the education you need to become a successful day trader or stock investor based on your specific trading objective. You will have access to our live 24-hour community support for learning and trading, as well as daily live trading, reviewing, and more mentoring sessions. Our goal is to train, mentor, and empower our students to operate independently with confidence in navigating the market. If you are ready to take control of your financial future, take a next step and watch our free webinar by clicking on the link in the description below. So make sure that you share and hit the like button below and give it a comment so that we can make more video for you so that you can learn and become a successful day trader. So now let me show you the chart so that you can see how it looks like. So this is the chart of the E-mini SB 500. What the chart on the left side, which is the Renko Chart. So I show you only 2 days from Thursday to Friday so that you can easy to follow here. So the chart on the left here, that's the Renko Chart. The chart on the right side here, that's the traditional candlestick chart. As you can see, this is how they move up, the price move up, move down. And over here, it's the same, the two vertical white line here, which is when the market opened on Thursday, and this is where the market opened on Friday, as you can see there. So on Thursday, when the market opened, as you can see, the chart, it show you the green bar right here, okay? And then the price, in the chart, I'm show you a couple lines so that you can also identify. So one of them is the live control, okay? The live control is the line that we design so that when the price is stay above the live control, it means that the overall trend is in uptrend. So so you focus on to buy on the dip and go long rather than focus or to the short side of the market. And we have another line they call bull line. The bull line, when they turn green and then the below the price, it means that the trend is on a short term in the uptrend. And if the bear line means that the short term is if the price below the bear line, which is the red line here, it means that the trend is short term is downtrend. And the yellow line, the line control, they tell you the bigger long term direction where it's heading to during the day. Okay, so as you can see on Friday, the market is open, the Renko Chart turned green, and then they continue to put it back up, they pull back right into the bull line. They never be able to put it down, so the trend is still up, so you can stay on the trend and then put it up until you be able to hit to the target. So when you enter the trade, when the market open here, your stop loss below here, as you can see, and if the price put it up and then you can tie up, and then the practice level here you move startup up. So at least you can have at least 3 to 1 risk reward ratio, and then the market puts it back up until the end move here, and then they turn red, and they give you a wick here, and then they coming down. When the price break below here, the people they can short term, they can short the market, but they have to know that because the live control is still bullish. So anytime they short here, they have to cover here because that's a short line. But when the Renko Chart turn green again, they stay above the bull line, then you can take another trade to the upside, and your top lot will be here. Okay, so if you short below here, your top lot up here, and after that on Friday, as you can see here, the market open again. The Renko bar is stay above the bull line. They stay above the live control. It means that the trend is still bullish, and the market continue to put it up to the upside until they hit to the level of resistance. They pull back, and then pull back down, right back into the live control again. But they never be able to put it down below the live control, so the overall trend is still bullish. So when the Renko turn green again and stay above the bull line, and the price continues to go up, and you can take a trade here, put the top lot here, and your risk will be 2 to 3 at least risk reward ratio, and you can see the market put it up until the end of the day, and then you can take a profit. But you look at the same chart, but if you look at over here, you can see that on the regular candlestick chart over here, you can see the price put up, put down, but sometimes it's choppy because of the red and green candle, and they can cause some confusing, and because they fluctuate at the price. But the Renko chart, they don't use time, right? They only focus on the price, so that's why you see it much cleaner. They eliminate a lot of noise. Even from here to here, you see they all coming down, but over here they put it back down, and makes you scared. You get out, you take away your top loss, and you're losing money. But over here you see it straight down, and from down below here up, you can see here they go very nice move to the upside. So it keep you in the trade longer, and you can make a longer profit. And on Friday, you see the price go like this, but this chart is kind of a choppy. You see up and down, right? So that's why it's very difficult. But over here they give you a clean cut. They go up, they retest, sell on, couldn't do it. They pull back down. After they pull back down, and then they find a way to put it up again. So this is how you enter the trade, and the profit target in Stock Navigator will teach you how to use a simple tool that you can define where is your target profit also. Okay, so the bottom line here is if you're using the Renko chart and using the live control and apply the bull line, the bear line, you go long when the bar turns green and above the live control and above the bull line, and you go short only when the bar turns red and below the live control and the bear line, which is the red line here. So that's the formula, that's the strategy that we are using for the last 2 days. Okay, I'll be able to generate on the net profit for Thursday $8,398, and on Friday I'll be able to generate $9,630.60. But remember, on the chart we also make sure that you also make sure the volume is in your side, because volume is not a crucial information that will tell you when you take a long trade. When the price above the live control, make sure the volume is in the bull side, right? So that they more volume coming in with the bull volume, so that they can help you to know that more institution get involved with the trade, so that you can stay in the right side with them and put the price go much faster. Okay, so that's how you're using this strategy. And then this is my statement for April 27 and 28. So within 2 days, apply this simple method that you can see that I make over $18,000. Okay, so I hope that you can learn this method and you can stay successful. All right, so that's how I'm using a Renko chart. So try yourself, digital note. Okay, if you want to learn more and get the support from our team, so that we can teach you, we can mentor you. We have a different method, different strategy, but they so that they can lead you and to become a successful day trader or swing trader or position holder. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video. Take care, everyone.